Uwadiae.
My other little
Ah, Billy, Meruwa. Uwadiae Kubana. Satin. Satin. Tieme.
Brother Satin. Yeah. Brother Tiwe.
Okay. Very good. Then what did it?
I'm going to do.
You know, Satin.
Everyone.
Oh, me are never.
Yardella.
Amma.
Larry. While we Bania, we give you 4,000, we give you 1,000 yet. Oh, yeah,
yeah, any good going on here. Yeah, 4,000. Yeah, my Benya, yo.
Benya, but the whole by.
Fueko.
Baba.
Iho de la tom. Owe ya de la Biblia na yali luwa. Owa ye musi. Owe ya luwa. Iho de we ya duwe na.
Baba. Ebe na yeta. Iho de no baba. Ikata ma we mo madam ask for more. Oge de ni hiera. No, okay, then if you want to do one get up by 1,000 naira at the end of document 20,000 and they all back at all there, so it turns 10 there. Can we calculate 20,000 times 10? Baba, Uma, you know, revenue 200,000 revenue.
Equal, you go Sandra.
Baba, my case good.
On your way, no more me at the Abe. Ogi no gweta lo memina wo pa ton gete be do a Fueko wo pa o ton gete be do mama the Sandra ade no to ba me
de mo bi aye ya le ba mi
wa e do me ma kere yo me Okman emogui emoji honania Okman emogui emoji wa do me ko gbira na me o ilowo akedomi okpe a no ti wewe yen oni azu ose ama we talking ari we to ilowo be abo bewe no gwale o no we di o mutiwe na udia di odo ajiwa yoni rigowe seni ya rigowe ni wa gbegbe obi aleke o hinje le kute
baba ye me nota
ege gbegbe eze gari re no to amu wona ni
investigation ni carry on. Oh, Jimmy, we mama to apolo. Hey, mama take it serious. in no any toy way. Okay, going on ban investigation. Mama take it serious. You problem imagine. You know where you scored him again, Maya.
Like where when I or got to be okay, where a big case not in my hand on my easy. You understand? A case serial killing, I mean, no easy. A serial killing now, Robin, and I, where only ba or do a kidney. Where a suspect Yaro, not Guadonia, only Mama Guadonia, so a big case on my easy. So, only a year, okay, can only again in one. In my yako, Yanana, or Cado Cadi, Navin, I am more year. But I have what if you're below where am I winner? Where am I winner?
Martinez, when you go there, no understand.
Okay, can you understand? On a my easy, what up? I can do any.
Babe.
See that?
You married one?
Oh, well.
Yeah, okay, Mama needing rubber.
Yes.
Wait, see.
You want a multi, anything, just.
Alright, it's okay. If you're motivated.
No, you're okay.
Nene multi, me make way if you want you are okay. Nigeria police didn't want like when we was saying mot, joy mot, urowa mot. Actually, when we rowana, we they one bottle of beer to not do you any harm.
Okay, can you wear a GTA, man?
Yes.
So, my here, while you was one, you're not dying. I don't know, bad.
It's not possible.
Huh? No. I can read you, man. I will cry me go
But I'm not back bomb, just one bottle. Yeah, boy.
Maybe a month is okay.
Okay.
How do you want it like you want?
Let me get you months.
Money and a bully my way, Mama. You like him now, eh?
Davio, on Wetana. I'm losing away. Be rest assured. I can't feel my like case in a way in my hand way. You don't trust him. Yeah, they trust my squad. You don't trust the way my asset deliver. I can't wait, didn't you? Eh? So I feel my dear only. I'm losing away. One way. When you're gonna know, you know, we are here.
Kakabo,
we apprehend that person.
Kakabo,
that culprit was apprehended. Huh? I can't feel more if you're away.
Alright, sir.
More way. It's called him, you know. I know what to do.
Mama, I'm so poor, Maro, so poor pano, a woman, you mean I'm a differ.
You mean our different?
But tell you, people in a way. Okay, Nikawa, dear, do me. You don't go where it's a boobay where you make your pan too. So, what pan of women are need? What damn you there?
Even Taba.
Worry me, Nanny. Uri up on our soul. Worry me, dear. On a yoma you. Usoni una atiemi. Nina al guale kunia lala o ina alega mami hu ilala ho. Ni ya iguale ina guale ni ya fifunje ineneki obize pe mariyo bugbon egba ya han yo ayore iriwa ya yore ige iban mi te mu gbogbo ne ina we enye meti arokpo o da fe no nya wa no vie la wo wo vive la wo imi na me des fois bo he be turning away o mo abi ebi mi ta no de kan mi na no ma yesu ero la o
yen ri imi na we des fois so kon pa no baba imi na no Even imagine anya loba ya mi da. E ya hin mi fone because na hin oge de ye ko adiwa. Enso kwa benu weta na. Ya be ya ro tori ogbeji.
La wo. Na ira mo fun iyan mi la o.
Mama baba ni ya ge.
De o ke me ya yi do ma yi ke.
Okay. Consider it done. Sure. I will give you feedback shortly. Okay. No. I'll go to night vigil tonight.
Today is Monday.
Okay.
Okay, I'll follow you.
No, you cannot follow me. You pray at home. When you made a church, me I learn church. Where I learn what? I cannot risk it to.
If I go to church with you.
No, you will go to church with me, not night vigil. Hey, all nighty. Who met in lele at your night? Mama think by your church with normal Sunday. You cannot follow me. Stay you. Yes. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to. In fact, go inside. Sandra, Ariuga, Jalobi here. Jalobi, I don't want me. Ukmama na wrong bed. In fact, arrange my closet. Come here, arrange it. This is my min water. Today my boy not to take go na go like you want to go with me. I beg me to arrange those things there. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, my friend.
Sweetheart, how are you?
I'm fine. Boss, you have any colleagues to be by?
No, why here I will be by? But I told you to come in with me, so why here I will be by with
Oh, maybe matter. Sir, permission to follow, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Come. Thank you.
A girlfriend there, no can. If I were my bone
Girlfriend, what can we can girlfriend?
That lady, you look suspicious, you know. Then you are gaming or 1 million, you know, that shock and all that. He was suspect again, you're hiding me.
Officer, you know where you don't. On my account, a girlfriend will come. In your way, we know anything about so are they a investigation about okay on my account? Understand?
A job in Melona.
We are Hamogani. Yahamoga who suspected girlfriend of it.
Oh, yet it's a mocha.
Wait.
A lady Lee, she's yet a place, but it's fine. I'm not sure you are discussing.
Sorry, call. Oh, one low. Call. When we're time, brother.
A bossy man get married.
Yeah.
Or when the man do they already.
Yeah. One year, man, I give it.
Or deep disease office.
Yeah. Okay. So what kind of was the baby or my guy was that ball on a year?
Oh, okay, Oma.
But they can't pay sha.
Owo wudu no re. Owa fun.
A baby well.
Okay, ori school. My school. What's the bakery? Let's see a car wash and me where you have you worry. In your way, you told me making a banner, make it money. You will keep there for 1 minute.
Mama, after 3, you better make a case for it. Remember where I'm with your hair, moving on to one. Man is over 250. Now it's 3 o'clock.
I'm on Yahi. In I am with Yahi. Security, me. Then I didn't.
But 3 o'clock. A mama lawa. Well, we are not alive. Eh? Okay, but we again. No, you cannot go. We are doing now. Also, not aware. Wajo.
Right, yeah, make a time. I go force in a job. Eh? Then you have the dark pass any Yamuda can have a lecture.
No, now what everybody they do. Now what everybody do. I have the more job.
I'm here. I'm here. 3
o'clock man is over 250. 3 o'clock. 10 minutes.
I'm going to be to a better man. Well,
yeah, very well. We're to make a vineyard. What back again? You the palm above. Get to go Mudahe.
So, what are you in a rhythm?
Oh, no. But the boys in here on patrol. So no one lacks here.
Okay.
My yo, but Uwadiae concerning your daughter.
My daughter?
Yeah. You see, me and my way in here. Now we make me my right. So, I no back, I no heki, where Uwadiae allow work book. I did am you where, who you were, or you never, Michael, I don't know, so that's a question I want to ask. Where, who you were, yeah, there's somebody can work like work book, you only when I can't now walk down on it. You understand?
Oh, Sha, I can win.
Yes.
But the thing, no, where. He died long time ago. He might be able to hear ourselves.
Are you serious?
I'm not really be so on your crosses or no.
Oh God. No. So we were when you didn't I give a run here.
You might go and ring about.
I'm sorry about that. So when I am only a man who jump into a relationship with somebody no more and without me asking the error. So I mean, I am no. I anyway, not at least she can be my daughter.
I see.
So sorry about that. Tell me, when it's your mother's birthday?
I want to tell you. Try me to tell you. Promise you'll buy me something.
Okay. If you want me to buy you something and you want me to promise I'm going to buy you something, fine. I will buy you
Promise?
something. It's a promise.
Okay.
What's that?
If she's coming, November 4th.
Oh, November 4th. So that's her birthday. Okay.
I told you.
No, why will I tell you? You told me.
I didn't tell you anything.
Yes.
We never met. We never discussed all this.
Okay. We never met. We never discussed this.
Secret.
Sandra.
Oh well, Mama Terra was I was just discussing with my baby girl here.
You're not saying anything. Oh yeah, lie. Here, I know what you can do. Go inside.
Oh, no,
Let her go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Because it's a fiani and a meal. Shut the door. The water. I know you guys were saying something.
No, nothing serious. We're in my way, so we just play, we just gisting, you know, as usual.
So nothing secret.
No.
Why go here me wala wo? Why Sandra? Why here me?
A secret of my mother discuss, okay? So, how are you?
I'm fine, babe.
Yeah.
Maybe how you say.
Not looking bad.
Women leader. Women talk to women understand.
How is everything now?
Mama, we do.
You are shining.
Hey.
What is this when I'll go?
Now maybe mother ask for more.
Ask for more. Don't be like. Women need to understand.
Abby.
Yes, so.
Yes.
Go to.
Shema.
Me was one Chema man.
Yes.
Yes, now. Why you so bother man? Yeah, you mess it. So one special with the
Hey, we don't have a radio. Shema with ripe or bullet.
Ghana, we not trust. Undercover like me.
He may want me a election gelebe soto de.
My dear.
O election awa soto. Area watie we bring supply ripe or bullet. Ripe one. Ano gele wa wo.
Me one need na. No wa wo ni tight. Help wa lo.
Already yoko wa.
Utane. Ni no ro ni.
O wa ye wobu.
My dear. Ni la wo mo to ni mo ha ba ni tori we ni.
Okay. My women leader.
Yes, so.
Only one women leader with the right vibe.
What on?
Only one women leader with the right vibe.
Yes, so.
Women lawyer for women.
I believe you.
Hey, women lawyer for women.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, woman leader.
Where's your mother? She's sleeping?
She's sleeping.
Okay, please do this for me. Okay, no soon. Now, yeah, we're not in the way that I have a surprise for your mom.
Mommy? Yeah. Someone wants to see you. Here she is.
Happy birthday to
Wow.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Today is November 4th.
you. Yes.
I forgot.
November 4th.
Sandra.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wow. I love you.
I love you. Me. Go inside. Go inside.
I'm not gonna.
Go inside, Dean. You see the end. Go inside.
Well, happy birthday to you, my love.
Maybe you surprise me.
Yes, so I am a one who will go back to you. And I wear you only do what one I hear. No, like no more because of the gifts I give.
Can I ever stop loving you?
It's very important.
Me don't worry.
Yes.
Any need for that?
Of course, it did the run. I
No, but are you not comfortable here? And please, your mama is okay now. What's the need now? When we move on, you go. Ya ko wa pa iri eki ya le ruwe bole fune iwe je gbe adi wa so gbe so mi akoso ko sabe na we me ma hu eru di gogo ni me ya ru le pe gbe so gbe wa mo mi. Let's stay here.
I know. Okay, Louis and one. And then you know, okay, 5 hours if I know you and you're weird, then you come back home.
Me.
I want to like,
maybe you're. If you're. Maybe you're there. In fact, now I am being around to me. Maybe you're there. Truth. Maybe you're there. I'm always at home. Yes. I'm always home.
Maybe you're there.
Also, one of you, one me, you aside my business. Then from my business place, I come straight down to my house, freshen up. Then I love you. So it's better we stay here. Ya tami remodi ewe no do birthday me. Huh? You know mommy. Huh? Okay. Sandra, remodi, mama remodi don't want to sick or worse. It have your when Sandra. It can bear you egg, Sandra. Sandra, una like una tami remodi we no do birthday me.
Mama, you love what you got for me.
Then I love what you got for me.
Love it. Just tell me, love it. It's written in your eyes. Look at the bracelets on me. I love it.
Sandra, do here.
I won't.
Mamu make here then we are having remodi we. I am knowing you when we are back now. The one we are having then you mo bome. Eswetania, go to love very much. Anyway, I love it.
Finally accepted.
Okay, if they are not going, huh? Are you we have to take over? I really want to rest.
Don't worry. Okay? Buy your wallet, sweet wallet.
Yeah. No, me already come and go to
advertisement.
Yeah, I'm advertising about flower.
Yes, advertisement. Don't worry. Advertisement. Sweet wallet. Madam, ask for more.
Sandra.
You love it, right? I'm advertising it. If people that don't know about it, so.
Fueko. Ifueko. Igwekwo la di. Fueko.
Baba.
Ivie to unu no mami. Oya gwa na omono me gwa. Wali eva gun ora emetere. You know. When I know me we zebi rango biwe. Ino we kege ya di we oge de no toni o kindo. Ya me gbe go be. We umari onu tama me. Ayi ho emuja. O masa ho masoy. Na me feel well I wanna say. Bet me ye kyo ban we don't ne work in our wado. Me we be like me tell you
Mama baba. Do have it yet in Italo. Why when you yata mawe, you have when we ekinido. Then I no yoga de no tonga de. Eseti arebo wa Nigerian. Do marry baba ewe yet Italo.
Maybe you met Italo. Me to be maybe ewe maybe Benani. So kumpa igwe na hama we ni. Igwe ni hama we igwe ni ba kan you e hona we. Ego mo ivana ku egbeju wa. Ehuna wia me na ewu me manne. We na reason. Iye le ko me we wono. Gba to ku we be ku we me ya fe nu we tami me na. We ori no. Inu ma yo no me ku mo po me. La ba nu me po me no ku pa mo no re.
Sandra. Let me come and on. Babe.
Yes, dear.
Oh, so no, when you're seasons, you're just moody. Oh.
Well, I just thought of you in a way. in the wife from the tour, you know. So I mean, mission Uwadiae in maybe 20 minutes time. So now it's okay what I mean.
But how the boys were? What's the man happening now?
No, I can't do God. I said to one now, maybe on a boy. Like I said, I was mission Uwadiae. Okay.
Mission.
Yes.
What mission is that?
Well, maybe organ matter. But why make case no worry about one very strong.
Kiss.
To get the person no double Z na ya fefe it's very difficult. Amazing. In the case no one so we're trying to get the corporate but it's very difficult. Very difficult.
Okay, but hey, you now.
We are still on it, yes. We're still on it.
Is that why you are moody? Don't worry now. Hey, I will carry no sonny.
Of course. You can handle a case, no son, but so all night. I don't know why. On a night, what do wake me on? I don't know. I've been trying to figure it out, but I can't.
Just chill. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Smile for me now.
Okay.
What
This
else?
is, I don't know. Really, what I've been waiting while from the tour, so I just want to see.
So you're not staying now. We can't spend any time.
No, I'm on duty. I'm on duty.
Well, I'm missing you now.
Yeah. So by the way, what's your money you come here?
Okay. I want to supply them over there. Where your mommy to you go me away. So I wait here if you're. I'll say now when you are here now.
Okay. That's fine. I'm like I came away. So.
Just like that.
Baby.
Sir?
Yeah, I want to change the business way. You see, I can't do any. I can't ball any. In my life, I want to change it.
Babe, Ekini, legit business. See, Ekini, it will roll. If I'm one rima, no one rima, where make it, it will make it a cash out, Ekini. More mother ask for more. Hey, that business. Oh, do agree, do you don't know the story. That business good though.
Oh, but then the business of balling, I don't really understand. Elwin way are leading up balling, and I'm your way or my guy, what dog bar or any, don't really ask for more. And then do actually where madam ask for more.
Okay,
because that was what happened to me the first day I bought balling from you. Yes.
Why you not turn away boy tea boy alea?
Me marry on it.
The man definitely old doing. So if I know really, we know really. Hey, go back. When I saw in here wear roast ball or here we pack pamuyiwa. It may spicy no woman. My sauce alone, you know now. Now my roasted fish. So why would they not come back? You would definitely come back. You want more. On you say you're not the way mother asks for more. Do you want it so that you want me as a prepared?
No.
Ben, that business, I too go over. I cannot do any other business apart from that's my obole with sauce with roasted fish.
Well, I'll tell you, we will no fear where but I'm your where by fear where you prefer that or the business.
Yes.
Well, let's see how it goes.
All I need is just expansion. If I want, I'll just expand it. Then may think I branches. So you have the branches. But very sporty the Uwadiae. I know the lady. He back because they want big dude. Although I go and double like if I always tie 10,000 naira for me. But you are believer in they will just go and they will come back tomorrow. Here we are really me away by How do I, madam, ask for more obole?
It's okay.
You give up?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you need to give up, baby. Baby,
the scene of crime.
Oh, you mean you found this in the scene of crime?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And this time around, we are young.
Yes, sir.
Okay. While I'm not on back, let's go.
Sandra, oh, now we're not married. I want you 1 year and 1 month to down. We young one. I made a one. Mighty with bear.
Sorry.
No.
I wanted to ask you something.
What's that?
Something has been bothering me. When you say that planting business that I have been using to pay my school fees, because the school fees is not very much expensive. Because the last list I bought for you.
Shut up your matty! Only a girl when we do tower now. What paying in the school fees here? Then why are you not asking me? And then they planted business in Yakoko Am I complaining?
I'm just showing concern.
What concern is that? Showing concern on what? Asking me if plantain business is my source of income. What? Oh yeah, get out.
Sorry.
Take. I don't want the water anymore. I said take.
Sorry.
Go inside.
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Mommy, as if I'm complaining. I know what I was kubana ufanu nukua and my mom is trading on a plantain business.
What's the night vigil?
Ekwe. Each time I want to follow, I should sing, I should pray at home. I should watch the house. Ekwe.
Night vigil.
How? I want to tell you what. Ekwe.
So, you buy night vigil?
Yes.
And never see the night vigil now. Every on Tuesday in your year.
No. Like so Monday, Saturday, Sunday, any day at all.
So she goes at will.
Yes. Any day at all. Any day. Another one. That's not the only thing. Anytime she just come back from this night vigil like this, before you know, she just walks straight to her room. She just shuts the door at me. She won't allow me see her. She won't allow me greet her, not talk to her. Since the next day, she'll just be inside. Most times she don't even eat. She'll just be alone.
Are you sure of what you
Yes. She did that. Was it more days ago? She did that. She did not eat. That day she was just alone indoor. I did not see her until the next day. That's how she behaves each time she comes back from night vigil. Most times if she come back, she'll be excited. Most times she'll just be angry. Don't know why.
Well, it's okay. And she's not home tonight.
No, she's also been for night duty. She's not home. She's not. No.
Okay. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. So let me give you.
I want to leave so soon.
Yeah, I have to go. So yeah, I'm here work. Okay. I mean, so I only attend to Akota.
Yes, thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Okay, please shut the door. I mean, lock it.
Bye.
Alright.
So that I can shut the door from there.